All right, so now that we've gone over the coolers, we have to get into the most important part, mounting them. So looking at our single bracket kit, they're designed where they just pop right on. They give you the mounting flange in either the front or the back, however needed. You can also invert the bracket, have them on the top, bottom, whatever you need. And there is a set, so they will join together. We do provide the bolts that secure all this together, and it comes with nylock nuts. That way there's no vibration factor at play. So you can set the cooler up this way. If need be, you can invert the bracket, line it up however you need. And then because we have these mounting points here, you can generally take them and go directly to a radiator. And then with our 13001, the nylon tie kit, you would just run it straight through the core of the radiator, secure it in place. But then in addition to the single bracket set, we also are going to have our larger dual bracket set. This is designed where you can put 2 of any of our stack plate coolers in the same unit for mounting purposes. These 2 just happen to be different sizes where you can do a configuration like that. You'll just notice that you may have to make some spacers to secure the smaller bracket into the upper portion, but then you wind up with one complete unit holding both coolers in the same location. So here we have our 50020 bracket kit. It comes with all the nuts and bolts necessary for installation. Comes with 4 brackets and installation instructions to help give you ideas of how you can lay it out to work best on your application. When we start looking at this bracket, it's just a 90-degree bracket, but it allows 2 different styles of mounting. So the first way is where you can set it with the mounting surface set all on the same plane, the same direction to the cooler, or you can flip the bracket and it will give you a sideways mounting configuration as well. And again, this is going to change on every application, but the most important part is making sure that you mount the cooler all to the same plane. If it's mounted to 2 different planes, there's 2 different points that are going to be moving and fighting each other. It can twist and bend the cooler and it will lead to premature failure and leaking, which is something we want to avoid. Whenever possible, try and mount it all to one similar surface or something that's going to move uniformly and together, and it's going to help the cooler live a lot longer.